Hi kids!
Wow!
So many fruits and vegetables. They are also so colorful. Let's learn their names. Our first fruit is strawberry. Red color, green color. This is a carrot. We have two carrots. Green color, orange color, light green color, red color. Tasty pineapple. Two pineapples. Green color, peach color, yellow color. Red bell pepper.
No.
Lemon, yellow color lemon. Next one is banana. Do you like them, kids? Our next fruit is grape. This is cherry. One, two, three bananas. Yellow banana. A radish. Fruit slices. Three fruit slices. Strawberry, kiwi, grapes. Do you know, kids, that they all are eraser? Kids.
Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 creatures. The first one is a monkey. It is so cute. The second one is a bear. Third one is a dinosaur. The last one is also a dinosaur. This is theropods. Kids.
Wow!
So many things. Let's open it. One, 2, 3, 4. The first one is omelette. Red color is a frying pan. This is red color. White color is the egg white. And yellow is the yolk. You can say it egg poach also. This is very tasty. Next is a hot dog. Red color, green color and yellow color. Do you like to eat hot dog, kids?
No.
The third one is a dream cake. This is so colorful.
Hiya.
And the last one is a biscuit.
Whoa!
Cream biscuit. Blue color and white color. Let's join them again. Wow, a mobile phone. This is so cute. Yellow color, blue color. Let's open it. Oh wow, it is a calculator. Can you see the numbers, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Star 0 has. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts. Let's separate. Green color. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya.
It's oh wow, sea creatures. They all are erasers. Let's open it. Okay, we will play with it and also learn alphabets, numbers, and colors.
Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4. Sky blue and white, blue and white, green, orange, white, violet. You can also separate their parts. This is a whale shark. This is a seal. This is also a whale shark. This is a dolphin. They are so cute. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya.
Do you like it, kids? Now keep them aside. Dolphin, whale shark, seal, whale shark.
No.
Let's learn numbers. Pink color pen. This is our first color pen. 1. O-N-E. 1. Our second color pen. Blue color pen. 2. T-W-O. 2. Our third color pen. Yellow color pen. Next number is 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Our next color pen is purple. Let's open it. Now we will write 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Red color pen. The colors are so nice. Now we will write 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Green color pen. Now open it. Let's write the number 6. S-I-X. 6. Our next color pen is orange. Do you enjoy it, kids? Now we will write 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Again, blue color pen. Let's open it. Now we will write the number 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. This is yellow color pen. Let's write 9. N-I-N-E. 9. And our last color pen is pink. And our last number is 10. Let's write 10. 1. This is very easy. Right, kids? 0. 10. T-E-N 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.